This Legal Minute is brought to you by the Law Office of Tarascio and Delvecchio.
Hi, I'm Allison Delvecchio of Tarascio and Delvecchio here in downtown Mesa. I want to talk to you about how to create a concise parenting plan. I handle predominantly the family law, civil litigation, and employment law. However, most of my cases deal with family law. And one of the most prevalent problems I see is an inconsistent or not really concise parenting plan. This allows people to have to determine when pickup and drop-off times are, or when a holiday starts and ends. It's really important that you detail these in the parenting plan. And I know you're saying to yourself, my partner and I, we're getting along right now, we're not going to have any issues, we want flexibility. A parenting plan is not for those times. You need to remember, it's as flexible as the parents themselves are flexible. A parenting plan is for those times when people are inflexible. It will save you in the after-divorce costs of post-decree modifications of parenting time, custody, child support, and it's going to help alleviate the tension between you and your partner. And more importantly, it's going to be beneficial to the child. They're going to see the parents work together in a cohesive manner and still be a family unit, just a different family unit. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you to help resolve any of your parenting time issues, develop a comprehensive parenting plan that's going to be beneficial to you, your child, and your spouse.
More information about the law offices of Tarascio and Delvecchio can be found at alsarizona.com or by calling 480-649-2905.